We live in a digital world now, and participating in the digital economy is an imperative for all. These videos are designed to help you quickly understand the key digital topics and the technologies in approximately 5 minutes. A number of 2017 industry analyst reports indicated that many organizations are not really progressing fast enough with leveraging digital technologies for business value. McKinsey and Company indicated that less than 40% of organizations are digitized. Dynatrace, in a survey of over 1,200 organizations, found 48% of survey participants indicated digital performance challenges were hindering their success in their digital transformation. A 2017 OECD study for the G20 meeting on the key issues for digital transformation indicated that 50% of organizations experience one or more of the challenges we shall shortly present, slowing down their participation in the digital economy. A review of industry reports and studies, as you can see here, from leading analysts and digital leaders, comes up with a pretty consistent list of the top challenges that limit or slow digital transformation. We shall take a look at these now. Lack of a clear vision and strategic intent relating to leveraging digital for business value is a limiting factor in setting the direction and focus for the organization. Lack of knowledge and competence that gives leaders the confidence to set the right vision and plan, and for other stakeholders the ability to productively contribute in the transformation. Attitudes towards existing systems and technology presents a barrier to new technology adoption, whether it be sunk cost or emotional investment, or perceived technical challenges such as integration and interoperability. Performance management and return on investment visibility is an issue, where organizations are not experiencing the impact of their technology investment. Lack of focus on the customer and their digital engagement and journey in the acquisition of your organization's products and services, another important issue that slows down digital transformation. Inertia at all levels. At the highest level, the perception of risk that significant change to the business or business model might bring, right down to the operational level where fear of the unknown and what might be the consequences of digital transformation for the individual or teams. Digital transformation can enable and require culture change. Digital has the potential to change how individuals live and work. A quick recap of the digital transformation model, which we use to help understand and visualize an organization context in relation to setting their digital agenda. The driver is what compels the leadership to consider technology-enabled change, whether it be improvement or transformation. Leadership consider the vision, mission, and goals that result from the catalyst drivers. They set the direction for the enterprise and its stakeholders. Leadership now consider where to focus to create maximum value through leveraging existing and new technologies for the organization and related practices in the digital workplace. Next, we can see the levers for change. That is, those variables that can be changed or must change within the internal and external ecosystems to release the target value, all the time keeping the customer or user journey and experience central. The final stage is assurance that the intended outcomes and impact occur during and after the changes have been made. Organizations rarely operate standalone or in a vacuum. They influence and are influenced by other enterprises, people, and things that make up internal and external ecosystems. Leadership must consider what must change. Technology enables change, but also requires change. The focus and extent of the change is determined by leadership's understanding of what the potential opportunity can be, as well as their own capability and appetite for change. Digitization usually concerns improving efficiency and effectiveness as it relates to existing businesses, processes and operations. It is concerned with the automation of what is done today or the migration from manual or physical situation to a digital situation, either a digital process or a digital output. It is important to recognize that the significance of the change relative to the capability of the change and the attitudes to the change. We cannot say business improvement through some level of digitization is any more or any less significant than more fundamental transformation. It may be technically and operationally easier and less widespread in its impact and influence, but still be radical for the direct stakeholders involved. Digital transformation is about renewal and re-engineering, and what may be perceived as more fundamental and widespread change. It encapsulates material changes to the business, such as products or services or business model or operational model, and has a more widespread impact on internal and external ecosystems. The continuum of change where digitization at one end involves refinement and perhaps some reconfiguration, to digital transformation at the other end, which involves reinvention. Digitization is often one component of a transformation program. We can use the NLP logical levels of change model to help understand the nature of change as it relates to an organization's digital agenda. The more transformative the change, the higher the level in the pyramid that needs to be considered, while the lower levels on the pyramid relating to the tasks, procedures and relationships will change to some degree, whether it's a digitization or a digital transformation program. Thanks for your attention. I hope you found this video useful and informative. Below you can see other videos in the digital series. If you need any further information, you can go to the listed websites, or you can email me at info@intelligentorg.com. Thank you again.